So we're going to start on the right side of your mat, bringing your big toes together, heels an inch apart. Inhaling, reach all the way up to the sky. Interlace your fingers, release the index finger, and then fold your body over to the left. Lateral side bend to the left. Inhaling, reaching back up to the center, elongate the spine. Exhaling, fold over to the right. Crescent moon pose to the right. Inhaling, coming all the way back to the center. Bringing your hands to your heart center. Exhale and step out with your left foot. Turning the toes out, heels in. Inhaling, coming into goddess pose. You can lift the heels up if you like to. And then exhale. Lower the heels all the way down to the earth. Turning your right toes in, left toes out, coming into triangle pose. Reaching your left fingertips in front of you, bringing your left fingertips to the ground behind your left foot and reaching the right fingertips straight up to the sky. Inhale. Exhaling, bringing your right hand all the way down to the floor. Inhaling halfway up and exhaling, fold forward to pyramid pose. Take a nice deep inhalation, long exhalation, and then inhaling, bending your left knee, extending your right leg behind you, coming into Anjayanasana to the back of your mat. Reaching your fingertips straight up to the sky, inhale, and exhaling, bringing your hands to the earth, Skandasana. Left knee is bent, right leg is straight, bringing your hands to the prayer heart center, or you can do any variation with the arms that you like. You can extend the arms open, you can create a bind behind you, finding your fingertips behind you if that's what you like to do, but open the chest. Inhaling, coming back to the center, Skandasana to the other side, bending the right knee, straightening the left knee, bringing your hands to your heart center first, and then do any other arm variations that you like. Your left fingertips can reach to the sky, right fingertips to the earth, or you can create a bind behind you. Your nice inhalations are elongating the spine, exhaling, rotating the spine up to the sky. Inhaling, coming back into Anjayanasana to the right side of your mat. Begin to reach your fingertips straight up to the sky. Create a back bend. Exhaling, bringing your hands to the earth. Tuck your back toes under. Straighten both legs. Inhale halfway up. Exhale, fold over to pyramid pose. Bringing your forehead towards your shin or your knee. Inhaling, keeping the spine long. Exhaling, step your left foot back behind you so you can lift your body open to triangle pose. Inhale and exhale. Then lifting your torso up to the sky. Inhale, back to goddess pose. Bending the knees, toes are out, heels are in. You can lift the heels up if you like to. Inhaling, release out of the pose, step to the left side of your mat. Inhale, reach all the way up to the sky. And exhaling, fold over to the right. Inhaling back up to the center, stretch it up first. And then exhaling, fold over to the left. Nice deep inhalation, exhale, and your inhalation is going to lift you to the center. Stepping your right foot out, turn your toes out, your heels in, bend your knees deep into goddess pose, lifting your heels off the ground. Your fingertips can be in Dhyana Mudra, Straighten your knees, turn your left toes in, right toes out. Inhale, reach your right fingertips all the way up, and exhale, pour yourself into triangle pose, reaching the left fingertips straight up to the sky. Inhale and exhale, bringing your left hand all the way down to the earth. Step your left foot in just a little bit, inhale halfway up. Exhaling, fold forward into pyramid pose. Inhaling, taking your left leg back behind you, bring your left knee down to the earth, and your inhalation is going to lift you up into Anjaneyasana. Exhaling, bringing your arms all the way down to the earth, and Skandasana to the right. Bending the right knee and straightening the left knee. You can do any kind of arm variation that you like. Releasing the arms, coming to Skandasana on the left side. Either your hands can come to the heart center or open your arms out to the side or bringing your fingertips back behind you. Keeping that right foot flexed. Inhale and exhale, lunging to the back of your mat. Inhaling, reach all the way up to the sky, Anjaneyasana. Exhaling, bringing your hands all the way down to the earth. Step your right foot up just a little bit so you can come into pyramid pose. Inhale halfway up. Exhale, fold towards your shin. Inhaling, lifting your torso up just enough to come into triangle pose. Trikonasana. Your right arm reaches up to the sky. And then lifting your torso all the way up to the sky, inhaling back to the center into goddess pose. With a nice deep inhalation, nice long exhalation, and then stepping your left foot to meet the right.